What's up, y'all? JT here with a quick video. So I didn't know that this was this big. I'm at Hobbytown in Kennesaw, Georgia. So looking at the new WR8 from HPI, and this is big. I thought it was going to be the size of the Chem block, but I forgot that HPI is closer to scale than anybody else. So I wanted to just shoot a quick video and show this to you guys. This detail is a lot better than what I had expected, and the paint job looks good too. We'll take these body clips off of here real quick without scratching it up, because if I scratch it, I'm gonna have to buy it. So let me get these clips off. All right, got those off, and pull this off. You guys see the body there. It's actually, you know, HPI does a good job with their specifications, but that's bigger than what I thought. It really is. So I may have to look at this at some point. They did go a little bit cheap on the shocks, so they are plastic body shocks. I was expecting aluminum threaded body, especially if you're paying $500 for this. But it does come with their 4,000 kV motor. I think that's about a 100 amp speed controller. So this is 3S only, but it does have the center diff and stuff in there. You guys see that with it, but that's pretty good. Look, they over there. So that's actually pretty good though. So it is bigger than I anticipated with it. It's got a nice foam bumper on the front of it, so that's pretty good. Oh, but see this motor mount? This is kind of unique in a way where you actually have to turn the motor somewhat to get this adjustable different pinion gears, but it should be fine stock out the box. But the one thing you don't want to do is tear this body up. But anyway, I wanted to show this to you guys. Got aluminum chassis and stuff to it as well, but this looks good. This looks real good. So they got it at Hobbytown in Kennesaw, Georgia, if you guys want to come check this out. So